Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locating the exact blog domain and scanning contact and about pages for any direct addresses. Do that first. Once done, inspect the author byline, RSS feed, and page source for mail tow. Links. These often hide the address in plain sight. Make sure to run a Whois lookup for the domain to retrieve a registrant email. If Whois shows privacy redaction, note that and prepare to try pattern-based methods next. Now you expand searches with targeted operators. Use site-specific queries for terms like email, contact, or the symbol to surface hidden mentions. Once you have the author's name and site domain, generate common address patterns such as first, last at domain or F, last name at domain, and test them logically in sequence. Also check social profiles and recent comment threads for any posted contact info. Those community spaces often reveal an email or alternative messaging route you can use for outreach. To finish, verify candidate emails via an SMTP check or a verification tool so you avoid bounces. This protects your sending reputation. Then compose a concise, personalized message that states why you're reaching out, offers clear value, and includes a single call to action. Send it from a professional address. If your message bounces or you get no response, wait 5 to 7 days, then try an alternate pattern or contact via DM. And make sure to log attempts so you don't repeat steps unnecessarily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.